Hey guys, welcome back to FlowFitDIY. Today we are installing the beautiful Kohler Seuss kitchen faucet. This is one of the most popular kitchen faucets in the USA right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to install it yourself, step by step. No plumber needed. By doing this yourself, you are going to save $100 to $150 on plumber fees. So let's get into it. Starting with the unboxing. I have the Kohler Seuss right here. Let's see what's inside. The main faucet body with that iconic industrial design, the mounting hardware, the included soap dispenser. Since we are doing a single hole install, we won't be using the deck plate today, which gives a much sleeker, minimalist look. Tools needed: adjustable wrench or pliers, Basin wrench, Phillips screwdriver, Teflon tape, bucket or towel, flashlight. Step 1. Installing the faucet body. Feed the hot and cold supply lines directly through the single mounting hole in your countertop. Lower the faucet base onto the surface. Head under the sink, slide the mounting bracket over the supply lines, and hand tighten the mounting nut. Once you've checked the alignment from above to ensure it's perfectly straight, use your Basin wrench to tighten the nut clockwise. Pro tip: make sure it's snug, but don't over-tighten. You don't want to damage the countertop surface. Step 2. Connecting the water lines. The hot line is usually marked with red or the letter H to ensure a watertight seal. Connect the hot line to the shutoff valve. Hand tighten first, then use your wrench for just a quarter turn more. Do the same for the cold water line, marked blue or C. Step 3. Finalizing connections. Connect both supply lines to the bottom of the faucet body. Always start these by hand to avoid cross-threading, then finish with a quick quarter turn using your wrench. Slowly turn on the cold, then the hot shutoff valves by turning them counterclockwise. Check every connection for any signs of moisture. If it's dry, you've succeeded. And that's it. The Kohler Seuss is installed, the water is flowing beautifully, and the pull-down sprayer snaps right back into place. You just saved yourself a massive plumber bill. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to FlowFitDIY for more easy plumbing tutorials. Drop a comment below. What project are you tackling next? Stay safe, stay smart, and stay DIY.